Hi, boys and girls. The next string game that I want to teach you is sometimes called cup on a saucer or sometimes a bowl on a plate. But from that string game, we can make a couple other string games as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to just slide our thumbs across the strings like that. And what we're going to do is take our pinkies and put them in like that. So on this side and the same thing on that side so that you can see that I've got palmer strings on both sides of the string. This is kind of hard to do in this short bit, but we're going to give it a go. Using my pointer finger from this side, I'm just going to go across and go under that palmer string, and I'm going to pull it tight. And when I look on this side, I can see right where my index finger is that there's a string underneath there. So with this hand, I'm simply going to come across, go under that string and pull it. And when I do, I will make this shape. So now I have two X's. So I know it's right if I've got two X's like this. Here's the tricky part, boys and girls. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my thumbs down. So watch this first X. See how it disappears? It's going to disappear because there's two strings there. And I'm going to gently use my thumbs to pull back and go under so that I go into the X down here. And when I lift, it's going to make this teepee. Okay, so now I have this teepee, and if I look at it and it's triangular, I know it's right. If it's a square, I put my thumbs in the wrong spot. So you just have to pull your thumbs out, do it again. All right, so here's this spot now. Now, can you see that there is one string going from this thumb to this thumb? It's behind my thumbs, and now what I want to do is move it so that it goes over top my thumbs and kind of drops down. You can do it however you want. I kind of like to use my teeth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab it on this side, this string, and I'm just going to put it over top my thumb and let go. And then I'm going to come on this side and do the exact same thing. I'm going to grab it over top my thumb, drop it. Now you can see that it goes across, but it's now down below. Okay, there we go. That was the tricky part. Now all I have to do is let go my pinky fingers. Nothing else, just my pinky fingers. And what I'm going to do is give it a little snap. Sometimes I have to give it 2 or 3 snaps. Sometimes if you're using yarn or your knot is there, it might get stuck. So you just got to kind of snap it until it comes into place. So watch what happens. I'm going to let go my pinky fingers, and now I'm just going to snap it. And there we go. A cup and saucer or a bowl on a plate. If I look over top the strings at the bottom, I can see that there are 3 strings down there. If I'm gentle, so I'm just going to reach over my head, I'm going to look over top of it, down at one of those strings, and I'm going to grab it with my teeth. I can make a star. So there's my star. And I can also just collapse these 2 fingers down like this, and now I make a witch's hat. So there we go. We can make a teepee. We can make a bowl on a plate, or a cup on a saucer on a cup on a saucer, or we can make a star, or we can make a witch's hat. So give that a go and see how it works.